Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. Today we're in Elmtowne East, Winslow Township. The premier over 55 community anywhere in South Jersey is right here, Winslow Township. And we're at 8 Poplar. And this unit is phenomenal. It is turnkey perfect. The best unit I've ever been in Elmtowne East. Let's check it out. This property has 1,100 square feet. And you can see that everything is immaculate. This property was remodeled not too long ago, has perfect floors, the walls, not a nick anywhere. The windows are replacement windows, plantation shutters. Just look at it, it's just perfect. It's got 2 beds, 1.5 baths. Let's check those out down this way. This would be the full bath. You have the subway tile, lovely furniture grade vanity, nice and neat. Here you have a stacked washer and dryer. Got your hot water heater as well. Everything you need. This will be the guest bedroom, and you can see it's got the very special blinds. Really modern look, really nice. You have a walk-in closet over here. Electrical panel, everything tight. Making your way into the master bedroom. It's more of the same. Bright white, everything. What's really interesting about this property on Poplar, it backs up to a farm field, so you have no neighbors other than the farmer harvesting the crops. Got double closets, and you have a half bath, really nice tile work in there, perfection. Coming out this way, you have your pull down attic, and it has a newer HVAC system, natural gas furnace, and you have your central air all up there, nice and neat, perfect. You have your plantation shutters, easy room, as you can see, for a 4-seater kitchen setup, really nice. And I'm looking up at the ceiling, you got your central air in the ceiling, which makes it really, really comfortable in the summertime. The kitchen, stainless steel everything. You have granite countertops, under cabinet lighting, gorgeous backsplash, and these are all soft touch, nice. These have dovetail joints, soft touch. Got your flat top stove, microwave, everything that you need. And through this barn door, we have a side office. Beautiful setup here. Desk, you have access to the outside, and there's a small patio area to the front yard. And that overlooks where the pond is with the fountains, absolutely beautiful. This property is gorgeous with the landscape. You have the 3-inch rock, and you have the roses here, the white and the red. These look like really nice of the old-fashioned type. You got more roses back here. Got your central air. You can see this huge farm field behind you, no neighbors. It's fantastic. And check out this garage. This is about 12 by 18. And it's just a huge workshop zone. You could use it as you want. And this typically would not be allowed here at Elmtowne East, but this is already grandfathered in by the previous owner, already approved by the association. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you know anybody that wants to move into Elmtowne East and have the premier unit, the best one that I've ever seen here, make sure you share this video with them. And if you really love the content, make sure that you subscribe. This has 2 beds, 1.5 baths, approximately 1,100 square feet. It's got window tinting in the front. The windows are replacements. You have the plantation shutters. You have a really nice setup here, and the association fees are still low here at Elmtowne East, about $170 a month. Backs up to the farm field, and the property has been freshly painted. I mean, everything is perfection. So make your appointment today. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. You don't need to do anything. The seller has thought of all aspects of this property, and there's also a shed in the back, which is really a small garage. 12 by 18 is how it measures, and that's already been grandfathered in by the association. Make your appointment today, and as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.